I need a little texture, I need a little, hold on, because I feel like I got, okay. I decided to be ignorant on top of ignorant today. I see you. The lace is the star of the show. Okay, well, Jesus is the star of the show. You want to have some of this action right here. Tell your mama and them I said, hey. Oh no, girl, this is just something I did. This is just something real quick that I did.
Girl, I see that lace.
Yeah. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I hope y'all feeling good. I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all being good to each other out here in these streets. I'm bringing you a straight hair slay today. It's rare on my channel, I understand. And we got some ignorant edges going on today. That's not too rare, but it is in the wig game. I generally don't do ignorant edges on the wig game. I decided to be ignorant on top of ignorant today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I wanted to jump on before I got you to the demo on this one to tell you some very specific things. Then I'ma just let you get to the demo and do what you do, baby. But you know, first I gotta show love to my subscriber today. Bam. Cousin, ooh, you the bomb.com. Alright, you guys, this wig has been brought to you by OMG Her Hair. They are across the board a very consistent company, y'all. This may be an option for you so you can see if there's anything in there that works for your jacket pocket. This is a relaxed Yaki wig, okay? Almost like natural, like a natural blowout, but not quite all the way over there. So this is like a mix between relaxed and natural hair, hence relaxed Yaki, okay? I generally don't do like the silky straight, bone straight type of oh so silky smooth type of straight. I need a little texture, I need a little, hold on, because I feel like I got, okay. I need a little texture, y'all. I just do. So this is perfect for those of you who like straight, but you need a little bit to it.
You need a little bit to it.
You know what I'm saying? This is gonna give you a little bit to it. So, bam. It's a 13x6 frontal, which means ear to ear lace. This was so easy to melt because of the lace. Easy breezy. I did do a melt application this time around, and I used the olive oil Fix It. And I did it like this because I knew the kind of style that I was going for today. And I smoothed these edges with the Black Caster Miracle. This is from African Pride. Braid, lock, and twist gel. I just like this stuff a lot. The lace is the star of the show. Okay, well, Jesus is the star of the show, but then after that, well, it's probably a lot after that, but then somewhere in the line it's this lace. I'm telling you, this is a clean bleached hairline and invisible knots. They have done the work for you. That's my kind of wig. As a matter of fact, they sent in some samples of 3 different laces: regular lace, brown lace, and then their HD lace, which is what I have. So that is the lace comparison. So you can see which one works for you. It's 20 inches, 150% density. I know what you're thinking. We're going to come back to that. Natural color. The size is a medium cap size, so it was a little bit big for my head. Y'all know my domology is small, but it worked out because they have the adjustable elastic band that I have on right now. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving what it's supposed to give. And it's adjustable, you guys. You can adjust it to your liking. I like that. The lace, undetectable HD lace and invisible knots, clean bleached hairline. That means all of the plucking and bleaching the knots and all that stuff, honey, that's so passe. That's passe. We don't do that no more. We can still do that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, all wigs, you don't have to do that because there are some that it is already done. And this is one of them. Adjustable strap and elastic band added. This can be glueless, y'all. But I was coming real ignorant today with all this up and through here. So I said, let me go ahead and melt it. This is a super fine HD lace and clean bleached hairline wig. Let me tell you how super fine this lace is. When I was doing the video clip of the different laces, my HD lace fell upon my carpet. And I watched, I thought I saw where it fell. It literally took me a good 5 minutes, y'all, to find where that piece of lace was. Y'all, it tripped me out. I was like, yo, why is this lace coming so hard? This lace was like,
See that?
I legit could not see it. And then when I found it, it was like right there in front of my face. I was like, yo. When you want it to be like seamless and you know all that good stuff, if you want to have some of this action right here, you want to be like, oh, what's up, Nikki? What's going on? Tell your mom and them I said, hey. Oh no, girl, this is just something I did. This is just something real quick that I did. You know, I be, you know, around the house, you know, just something that I did. When you want to do that with all this right here, you can do that, but you need the right type of lace, and this is given. You can't do this with every lace because you can see it real good right there. And you be doing all this, and then the person talking to you be like,
Girl, I see that lace.
and then you over there look ashamed. I don't want that for y'all life. God ain't put that in the atmosphere for y'all life, and y'all calling on it. He didn't do that. So if you are looking to do a style like this, where it's a lot of lace exposed, you need the right type of lace. Period. That's it. That's all. Especially if you're using any sort of straight hair. Curly hair, you can hide so much. Straight hair, no. Straight hair is like, I see you. You got to have the right lace, and this is the right lace, okay? You see it. It is what it is. But look at that, y'all. Look at that texture. Even with me pressing it with my favorite flat iron, it still has that wonderful, lovely texture. It's beautiful. And this is thick. They classify it as 150 heavy density. So this is a thick 150. This is a thick 150, y'all.
It's something about that thick 150, y'all.
This is the 150 that I could deal with. Yes. 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 So y'all, I'm gonna get y'all to the demo, but I wanted to give you guys these points. Big shout out to OMG, her hair, for this baddie of a wig. I'm loving it. I just wanted y'all to see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Got a little beat face for you today. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. I told y'all I was gonna turn up this year. I told y'all that because I had a conversation with God, and I was like, God, do you mind if we turn up a little bit? And he was like, baby, listen, you just keep me first and let's turn up. Period. That's it. That's all. So I'm coming with it humbly. You know what I'm talking about? I have a discount code in the description box. Get your hands on this thick 150. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Bam, just like that. You are part of the family. Boop. Let's get y'all to the demo.